Thank you for joining Pioneer Library System. I'm Chris, STEAM Specialist at Norman Central. 'Tis the season for pumpkin spice everything.
Pumpkin spice curry.
Pumpkin spice oatmeal.
Pumpkin spice room spray.
Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap, spice pumpkin scent.
Pumpkin spice mayonnaise.
Right. I'm not so sure about that last one. Anyway, I live in Oklahoma, where it's entirely possible for a November day to start out at 35 degrees and end at 75. So I'm going outside the box here, and in today's autumn episode of Librarians Will Eat Anything, I'll be making the pumpkin ice cream from Rose Levy Beranbaum's new book, Rose's Ice Cream Bliss. Search the Pioneer Library System catalog at pioneerlibrarysystem.org to find this and many other books on ice cream. The recipe is relatively simple. Add 1 cup of pumpkin puree, a ½ cup brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons ground ginger, 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt to a saucepan. Stirring constantly and preferably wearing an apron. Bring it to a simmer. It'll be very sputtery, but continuing to stir, simmer for 3 minutes. Puree it with a ½ cup of cream and a ½ cup of milk, then set it aside in a bowl to cool. Now take a ½ cup of egg yolk, that'll be 7 to 11 large eggs worth, 1 cup of cream, a ¼ cup brown sugar, and a ¼ cup glucose for smoothness. Again, stirring constantly over low heat, warm the mixture until it's about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be slightly thicker than heavy cream at this point. I'm actually going to cheat and use an immersion circulator and a water bath so I don't have to worry about overheating it. This technique is called sous vide cooking, which is French for under vacuum. Us science types like it because it's very precise. Also because we're lazy. Once it's cooked, add it to your cooled pumpkin puree. Mix well, I like to use a blender for this, and chill until cold. That is, no warmer than 43 degrees Fahrenheit, so fridge temperature. Once again, I'll sous vide it, this time because it's faster. Now, churn following your manufacturer's instructions, and finally, freeze for at least 2 hours to firm it up. If you freeze it longer, you might want to let it warm up a bit before serving. This ice cream is very dense. Let's see if librarians will eat it. It's currently 60 or so degrees outside, so maybe not really ice cream weather, but hey, librarians will eat anything.
We will see how this rivals Rusty's. I thought.
It's good. It's like creamy.
Mmm. Oh, that's yummy.
You are correct, Chris. It tastes like pumpkin pie. Just like pumpkin pie.
Yep, they'll eat anything. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, like and share below.